One really handy feature when you're using Google Sites and you have a lot of information on a single page is to create a table of contents. So what I've got here is my statistics page, and I've got a few headings that I want to show up in my table of contents. So I've put in bar graphs here. I want that as one of my main headings, and underneath that I've got how to create a bar graph. I want that as a subheading underneath bar graphs that's going to show up as a subheading in my table of contents. All the other things here, I'm also going to have them as main headings. So I'm going to show you how to do that. The first thing that you need to do is to click Edit Page, and right at the top of our page we're going to insert a table of contents. I'm just going to leave the width empty so that it can go straight across the page. I'm going to push Save, and when you're on this window, until you push Save, you can't see anything in your table of contents or any gadgets for that matter. So I'm going to push Save. And what you'll notice here is that there's no headings, none of these headings underneath here have been formatted correctly so that they can be shown in the contents. So we need to format these headings. So to do that, we're going to push Edit Page again, and we're going to go down to the headings we want. So bar graphs, I want to format that, and to show as a main heading, I have to choose heading 2. The one underneath I wanted to show in my table of contents as a subheading of bar graphs, so I'm going to highlight that and format. Rather than pushing heading 2, I'm going to push heading 3. The other ones I just want as main headings, so I'd format that as heading 2, and I'd go to my next ones, format as heading 2, and so on. So I'm going to stop there. So at this point, when I push Save in my table of contents, I should have 1, 2, 3 main headings, and then also a subheading here under bar graphs. So if I push Save, and now you can see here in the contents, I've got those main headings, 1, 2, 3, and I've got my subheading how to create a bar graph, which is under the bar graphs. So hopefully you get the idea that with the formatting, you start with heading 2 and they'll be your main headings. Any subsequent headings like heading 3, heading 4 will be tabs going off the one above it. So hopefully that makes it a bit clear how to use the table of contents. Why it's really useful is because each of these is like a hyperlink. So if I click on that line graphs, it'll take me directly to that part of the page. So you can see how that would be really useful if you've got a page with a lot of information and it fits into the rule of having your visitor to your site not having to really click more than 2 links to get to where they need to go.